Uh, I'm fine. I am quite fine, sir.
You are fine today. You are looking fresh today. Yes, you are looking very refreshed. And
Thank you.
what is the news of T20 between Bangladesh and Australia? Last
Sir,
T20 held tomorrow, right?
yes, sir.
What is the result
Bangladesh,
of fourth? What is the result of fourth T20?
sir, Bangladesh scored very low eventually, but they struggled a lot, and because of the Shakib Al Hasan, he gave 5 sixes in over, and it
Shakib Al
causes
Hasan,
us. Yes,
5
sir.
sixes from
And
Shakib Al Hasan overs.
yes, sir. In over, just over,
Oh.
and in 4 overs he gave 50 runs almost. And where we have only 104 runs to chase Australia.
Bangladesh scored
And
104.
yes, sir.
Bangladesh score was 104 only, right?
Yes, sir. But it struggled a lot. Australia had to pay a lot of troublesome, and they had to hard work a lot to chase this tiny score.
Okay. Okay, good. Anyway,
Most of
and
most
how
of it
about
is quite explained it.
yes? And what will be tomorrow's result? Can you tell me?
I think, sir, obviously Bangladesh will win because Bangladesh is in good position as the committee has made the pitch spin favorable, and Bangladesh is doing quite well. I think Bangladesh will win.
Well, now start. Today we'll start with question asking session. Questions about law enforcing agency. Questions about law enforcing agency. At first, tell me, have you heard the name of law enforcing agency and what are their duties?
Yes, sir. I have heard the name of a number of law enforcing agencies. We have got number of agencies like police, navy, army, and air forces. All these are law enforcing agencies, and they are existing because of to maintain the rules and regulations and the constitutions of a country.
Okay. Is physical fitness important? Is physical fitness important for the members of the law enforcing agency?
Yes, sir. Physical fitness is one of the most must needed criteria for the members of law enforcing agencies because all those their actions depends on their physical.
Okay. Do you think the duty of the members of law enforcing agency is different from that of other professionals? Do you think the duty of the members of law enforcing agency is different from that of other professionals? Babli, how are you today?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
You joined after some days. You missed some classes. Can you tell me why?
Sir, my uncle and auntie had an accident with their son and car driver on 1st August.
Oh, how did it happen? Where did it happen?
Uncle and auntie were admitted. Uncle admitted Central Hospital. Auntie admitted Enam Medical ICU, and their son admitted neuroscience, and car driver admitted Pongu Hospital.
Oh, where did the accident happen? Where?
Shabar Road, sir.
Shabar Road. They were, that means car or bus and car or bus or truck?
Car and truck, sir.
Car and truck.
Private car and truck.
Truck. That means your uncle and you are coming from village or from where? Coming by private car from where?
Coming Dhaka from village.
From village. Oh, Now they're in hospital. Still they're in hospital now.
Yes, sir. Now my auntie and uncle both admitted ICU.
Oh, now still they are at ICU. ICU.
Um, my uncle do not conscious now.
Oh, okay. That means your uncle has not come with sense yet.
Yes, sir.
Still he's unconscious.
Unconscious.
Oh, that means their situation is very critical, I think, right?
Sir, there are one son. He admitted neuroscience hospital, and that's why we run.
Okay, that means all the people who are severely injured in the
Yes, yes, sir.
very, very unfortunate.
That's why I did not attend the previous class.
We can only pray for him, and this is very, very pathetic news. And all the family members are severely in severe condition, and different people are in different hospital. Your uncle is in hospital, then aunt in another hospital, and your cousin is in another hospital.
Yes,
Child is in another hospital. It is very, very pathetic, and really it's very difficult to tolerate such an accident in life. Everything gets destroyed whenever such an accident happens. We pray for their quick recovery from the disease. Anyway, we'll come to you later. Shahid Islam was answering. Shahid Islam, can you tell me something about what may happen if we do not become conscious while running in the roads? Can you tell me what may be the sufferings of an accident? Sufferings.
Yes, sir. Accident has now been a common phenomenon in our country, and these are taking place only for people's unconsciousness. I think there are a number of problems regarding this issue. If I have to mention those reasons, first of all, drivers are not conscious enough. They drive their vehicles reckless driving, and sometimes they compete with their next drivers and try to reach their destination first. And I think this type of activities causes a huge amount of accidents in the road. Now Bangladesh is experiencing a number of accidents daily, and thousands of people are losing their lives every day, only because of their unconsciousness and the drivers' indifference. I think the traffic rules, unfollowing the traffic rules is another causes of the causing accident. I think government can take actions against these activities, and some skilled drivers can be employed, and people should be aware enough regarding moving on the road. And if these criteria are followed, I think traffic jam will reduce significantly.
Okay. Do you think sometimes reckless truck driving or reckless driving can create a lot of accident and it kills thousands of people? Do you think?
Yes, sir. Truck drivers are mostly responsible for causing accident, because truck drivers are not skilled enough, because sometimes they drive recklessly, and they do not have license, and they are not authorized drivers. Sometimes their helper take the steering, and I think these indifferent activities, this apathy actually causes the accident, and truck drivers are largely responsible for accident. I think the government should focus on this issue.
Okay. Is it easy for police force to perform duty during political chaos?
I think sometimes it becomes tough for the police to maintain the political chaos, as there are a number of leaders who don't care about the police activities, and this causes a huge chaos in the gathering.
Do police take risk of losing their lives for the safety of the people of their people and property?
Yes, sir. Police often take a risk of their lives because they are for the people basically, and it is their constitution to take risk to take risk of their lives for the people, for the sake of people, and they have to face this situation often, and I think a police can overcome this such situation very gently.
Okay. Babli, some question to Shirazul Islam. Babli, ask some question to Shirazul Islam. Shirazul Islam will answer.
Hello, Shirazul bhai, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you, Apu?
I'm fine. Now I am fine, but previous
Yeah,
some days I did not
it was
sleep.
huge pressure. Actually,
Yeah,
it's a mental pressure,
because
one kind
my
of.
uncle and auntie has not another son and daughter. That's why I run
It's a
more and
quite
more.
pathetic. I wish their recovery soon. May Allah be with them.
Yeah. Um,
Have you gone to the hospital to look after them?
I gone hospital, but ICU they are ICU
They
admitted.
didn't
That's
allow you
why
to stay.
uh, no, others person not allowed.
Okay. Are they in critically dangerous position?
My uncle is very critical and danger position, but auntie is improved previous day.
What about
Then
your
previous
cousin position?
my cousin is mm, uh, well better than previous day, but my uncle 50-50 chance 50-50.
Okay. Have they caught the driver who drove car and truck?
Yeah, driver truck driver caught and mm, uh, truck driver caught and truck now truck mm,
They took any
have
compensation?
now a track have mm, Shabar Thana.
Uh,
Now truck is at Shabarthana. That means truck driver has been arrested.
Yeah, sir, truck driver is arrested.
uh,
Well, now question from here. When
Mm,
do you go to the law enforcing agency, Shiraj? When do you go to the law enforcing agency?
uh, I barely visit the law enforcement agencies, law enforcement agencies. Whenever I feel need of them, and when I face some complexities in our areas or regarding my life, when I feel insecurity, then I go to the law enforcement agencies and ask them to take necessary steps so that I can be free from that cause.
Okay, next question. Lovely question to Shiraz Islam. You may ask some question from the screen.
yes, sir. Why are Why are people afraid of police?
Sometimes nowadays people afraid of police because they think that dealing with police is quite complex, and sometimes they have to face a lot of harassment, and avoiding such harassment, they do not be by side of the police, and therefore they afraid of police.
Do police take risk of losing their lives for the
Like
safety of people and their property?
yes, police, when they take oath, there is a constitution. A police has to take risk for the sake of people and for the security or for the security of wealth of the people. And therefore, police doesn't hesitate to take risk their lives for the sake of people's wealth and property. And it seen often police are by the side of the victims.
Why should a police officer be prudent?
Um, as a being a police is a quite a big responsibility, because he has to ensure a security of people's wealth and property, and as well as their lives. And therefore a police personnel has to be very prudent, and he has to know how to deal with the complexities and difficulties. And because people if a police can overcome these difficulties, then if victims or the general people, mass people, will get rid of their regarding problems.
Do the police negligence their duty?
Nowadays, it is seen police are quite indifferent. They try to neglect their duties, and it is completely unethical for a police personnel,
Okay, what is your
because
expectation? What is your expectation from the members of law enforcing agency? What is your expectation from the members of the law enforcing agency?
first of all, I want the law enforcement agencies to be friendly for the people, mass people, because people are to pay a lot of hardship, lot of complexities when they go to the law enforcing agencies. Especially the government law enforcement agencies, they are quite indifferent about their duties. They love people harassing. I want them to be very friendly, and they are very dutiful, and they are prudent, and they are excellence, and they will be loyal. I think a law enforcement agencies should have all these qualities so that people can
Okay, how do you feel
rely
when
on
you
their
get
activity.
stuck in a traffic jam? How do you feel when you get stuck in a traffic jam?
It's a very common phenomenon in our country, and we everyone feel the same, and it is quite unbearable and intolerable when we stuck in traffic jam, because traffic jam cannot be friendly, cannot be an easy position, because it actually, especially in Dhaka city, we had to face a lot of traffic jam, and people become bored and highly irritated seeing for the long time traffic jam, and people become perspire and lose their temper and lose their behavior. I think the way I feel, everyone feels the same.
Is
Sorry,
it
sir,
difficult? Is it difficult to have patience when we are in traffic jam?
Yes, sir. It's quite difficult to have patience in traffic jam because uh, we move in Dhaka city for intending to join in something somewhere important. When we stuck in traffic jam, we fail to join at that particular place, and due to the traffic jam, every year we had to count number of losses, number of job appointment misses, and I think it's quite impossible to have patience in traffic jam.
Now, Shirul Islam will ask question to Shishir. Shishir will answer. Shishir, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Question about law enforcing agency. Shiraz, start asking questions about law enforcing agency. You will ask questions as many as 15 to 20 questions. She will answer. Then we will come to Babli. Babli, take preparation. We will ask you easy question. Now, Shiraz, start asking question to Shishir.
Okay. Shashirapu, how are you?
Fine, but sorry for being my late
Okay, you are always late.
because I have also a class and few
Okay.
minutes
There,
ago
you
my
are
class was
maintaining a
finished.
tight schedule.
Yes,
Tight schedule.
not every day,
Okay.
but sometimes.
Okay. Okay. Now, question regarding law enforcing agencies. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. Have you got any privilege in your life from any of the law enforcement agencies?
Sorry, repeat your
Have you
question.
got any privilege or have you got any service from any of the law enforcement agencies?
Actually, I didn't.
You haven't got any service yet.
মানে কত নম্বর কোশ্চেনটা একটু আমি নিজে আমাকে পড়তে হবে
Okay, it's by the question is made by me.
সরি
I asked it by myself, from myself.
আচ্ছা,
It is
আচ্ছা।
not included here. Okay. Okay, now question is, are people afraid of police and why?
Pause. Sometimes some people afraid of police because of when he crimes. That time he afraid of police, but not more people afraid of police.
Yes. Do you think the duty of the members of the law enforcing agencies is different from that of other professionals? Question
Some
number 3.
yes মানে sometimes law enforcer agencies different from that of other professionals because of other professionals gets vacation more than law enforcing agency, so they have to stay their duty more other professionals.
Okay. Is physical fitness is important for the members of the law enforcing agency?
Yes, physical fitness
Why?
important for the members of the law enforcing agency because of their main duty is their main duty is to service the people. And always they have to prepare for servicing people. That's why he has to make fitness. He has maintained fitness always.
Okay. You do service some of the students, some of the people. Do you think you have to maintain physical fitness?
Of course, I also should make myself always fit because of if I sick that time I won't do service well and good. So not only law enforcing agency, but also every professionals um, should make himself fitness because of
What make a person?
yes.
What steps make a person to be fit?
Good health, maintaining good health. For this, have to maintain good food, physical exercise, proper sound sleep. That's it. Very important and should maintain for maintaining uh, fitness.
Okay. Okay. Is training necessary for the members of the law enforcing agency?
Please repeat your question. Is
Is
training
training
necessary for
necessary
the law enforcing
members of the
agency?
law?
Hmm. Yes,
Uh,
training is
why?
very important for the members of the law enforcing agency because of their duties sometimes very hard. Sometimes they fight with training people, and I mean snatcher, um, snatcher
And
and whose person,
criminal.
yes, criminal. They are very
Good.
some the brave person. That's why and they do not think about himself. They are always crazy. Sometimes they forget their valuable life, and they sometimes they become crazy. That's why for this a for this a law enforcing agency, they they have to tackle this all over position very with brave, with bold. That's why they have to need training.
Training. Okay. Do we have sufficient police force to ensure safety of all of the people?
Yes.
Do
Of course, we have sufficient police force to ensure safety all of the people. But
how many?
our country's law enforcing agency is not enough. Hmm.
Could you
It's not
mention the
sufficient of our people.
okay,
Yes.
how many police forces in our country? What it is in number? Do you know the exact number of police?
Actually, I don't know exact number of police, but I know that it is not sufficient of us.
Okay. Okay. Have you ever been to the ever been any of the police law enforcing agency?
Now question with vocabulary. Some questions with using vocabulary. Okay. Yes. Creative questions with vocabulary. Start asking. Shishir will answer. Another 10 questions. Start.
Do you often get stuck in traffic jam?
এটা কি আনসার বলবো?
Yes. You sometimes put Bangla here because it's completely English. You have to know the query through English and answer as well as in English.
I have to give answer.
Yes, sometimes you speak in Bangla. It's quite prohibited. Have you got the point?
Oh,
It's completely
মানে
prohibited to
তুমি কি
speak in
মাঝে
Bangla.
মাঝে এই ট্রাফিক জ্যামে পড়ো? তুমি কি
Yes.
প্রায় ট্রাফিক জ্যামে পড়ো?
Yes, yes. I ask you the question, but sometimes you speak in Bangla. It's completely prohibited.
না এটা কি জিজ্ঞেস করবে, ডু ইউ অফেন গেট স্টাক ইন ট্রাফিক জ্যাম, এটার কি আমি আনসারটা
Yes,
বলবো?
yes. The question is, do you
না এখানে
often
ভোকাবুলারি
get?
দেয়া তো এই জন্য বলতেছি, আমি কি এটার আনসার বলবো?
Yes.
Oh, yes, I often get stuck in traffic jam because of there are many narrow roads in our Dhaka city. Um, um, mm, that's why when our when we are lead normal life, and there are many types of car is going on the road, and they sometimes not sometimes, most of the time they don't follow the rules of traffic. The forward we often get stuck in traffic jam.
Don't you think there are a huge number of unauthorized vehicles in the road, especially in Dhaka city?
Mane whose question?
Okay. Uh,
Please repeat.
on behind of traffic jam, a huge number of vehicles are the another reason for being for the traffic jam, right?
Yes.
Okay. How do you feel when you get stuck in traffic jam?
It is very
Question.
boring and very painful when I get stuck in traffic jam because of I have to go another place as the fixed time, but I didn't reach this place for the traffic jam, and I have to miss important meeting or important class. That's why it would be very harmful for us. So I feel very boring.
You said you often face traffic jam. In traffic jam, what you like to do throughout the traffic jam?
Actually, we are mango people, but we can't throw out traffic jam from our city. Yes, sir. We also, if we follow the traffic rules, when traffic rules, when traffic light, we can follow the rules
I
of
said,
traffic
how
lights.
do you spend traffic jam the times you are in traffic jam? What do you do when it is traffic jam?
I can't understand.
How do you spend that time when you are in traffic jam?
Oh, most of the time when traffic jam is very when I affected by traffic jam very much, that time I left from the car and I walk most of the time. But sometimes I try to sing a song, or I try to busy myself other thing, or gossiping if anyone who is sitting beside me is known or unknown. If I think better, that time I try to gossiping him only for passing my boring time.
Okay. Do you have any solutions regarding traffic jam that our governments can follow?
Yes, at first our government should give proper training of a car driver and owner of car, and government also should use punishment.
Okay, Babli,
decreasing-
are you ready to speak?
For decreasing traffic jam.
Babli, are you ready?
What is compliment?
Sir,
about myself?
I did
How
not
is compliment?
prepare
Okay,
today's
then you listen. Just you listen. you listen, okay, and start. Then Babli listen today. Just try to follow how we are speaking, what we are speaking. Now, Shishir, now we are going to our today's selected topic. Our today's selected topic is, can you give me some idea about Sundarbans, right? Is it about Sundarbans?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Could you give me a brief idea about the Sundarbans? Shishir, say something about the Sundarbans. Your time is 2 minutes. Start.
Sundarban, who is another name is Mangrove Bon. It is a Abhayaranya of our animals. There are many kinds of animals are living Sundarban, living Sundarban. This forest is very helpful of our country, of our country. Natural, their natural beauty is very nice, and we can lots of oxygen from Sundarban. There are different
We
types
can
of.
get a lot of oxygen from Sundarban. Only oxygen. Not
স্যার
any other
বলতেছি
thing.
তো
Yeah,
কি
okay,
কি
carry
পাই
on.
বলতেছি তো স্যার
Okay, step by step. Okay, okay. Just carry on.
lot of
At first
oxygen.
you told oxygen. That's why I'm telling. Oxygen, that means we
Sir.
get oxygen from each and every plant. But what is Sundarban famous? At firstly, what is the specialty of Sundarbans? Then
স্যার
there are
বলতেছি
some
তো
other things here. Carry on.
সুন্দরবন স্যার it is very important oxygen. Most of the sir, much oxygen is oxygen comes from Sundarban because of there are a huge plant is Royal Bengal tiger. It is the very famous animal in the world. In the world, there are there are many Royal Bengal tiger are available, but day by day we are losing a Royal Bengal tiger because of our deforestation. Besides this, we can we can make furniture by the wood of Sundarban, and honey. The famous the Sundarban is also famous for collecting honey, who is very famous, and etc. স্যার আর তো বলতে পারতেছি না।
Okay, good. Now, Shiraz, say something about Sundarbans. Then we'll ask some questions about Sundarban. Shiraz, start speaking. Say something about Sundarbans, about the Sundarbans. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Okay, I forget, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to say something on today's selected topic. Our today's selected topic is to say something briefly on Sundarban. Prior to start that, I'd like to I'd like to let you know the information of Sundarban. Sundarban is one of the largest mangrove forest of the world, and it is it spans India's West Bengal to Bangladesh deviation Khulna, and the Sundarban has estimated an area of about 10,000 square kilometer, and of which 6,000 kilometers are under the Bangladesh, and rest of the areas are in India. And though the areas of India was announced and endangered by the UNESCO, where Bangladesh part is quite vigorous and vivid for the wild animals and the natural resources of Sundarban. And Sundarban is really amazing by its natural beauty, and one can be amused, and is quite significant for the environment, and it is playing a big role for the environment, because it working as a natural protector. Often it saves our coastal areas sometimes from the cyclone, and biggest natural disasters. And Sundarban is famous for its various things, especially for the wax, honey, and gulpata, because throughout these elements, people are sheltering their lives and maintaining their lives. The people living nearby the Sundarbans, and they sometimes people fall victim of prey to the tiger as they enter the deep of the forest. They had to sacrifice their life there because there are a number of tigers and deer as well, and there are various lethal animals that causes your life lost. And nowadays, Sundarban has been announced World Heritage by the UNESCO. And if necessary steps are taken, it will be the one of the wonderful place in the world. And nowadays, Sundarban, from the very past time, Sundarban has enlisted as a tourist place. Thousands of people visit this place every year, and through this, our economy is becoming stronger when people visit this Sundarban, and our revenue is added every year. And from the Sundarbans, we collect a huge amount of wax and honey and golpata. This also add economic values in our fiscal year. And there are number of trees. Sometimes these trees are cutting down, and a huge amount of monetary money is added in our GDP. Sometimes Sundarban is now deteriorating its value because of government has taken some unethical steps, and some of the people are cutting down trees irrespectively, and environmental effects are largely seen in Sundarban, and trees are decreasing significantly. The wild animals are losing their inhabitants, and the economic values are losing largely. All these activities are causing serious hamper in Sundarbans, and I think government should take necessary steps and should focus the
Okay, thank you,
focus.
Shreya. Nice, you have spoken well. Now we will go to Babli. Babli, you will share your experience that you have got in different hospitals after the accident of your uncle, aunts, and cousin. Just share your experience that you have got from the accident to till now today. Keep your video on, then share your experience. Share your own experience with us, Babli. Babli, share your own experience that you have had during, say, in the first week of August after the accident of your uncle, aunts, and cousin. Start.
Yes, sir. When I
Start your video. Start your video. Start video on. Keep video on. Yes. Share your own experience. Yeah.
yes, sir, when I heard these accident topics, then I went to Shabar Enam Medical Hospital, and I and me and my brother, others cousin, and others uncle and auntie went to Enam Medical Hospital, and my cousin নিয়ে এসেছিলাম আচ্ছা
Okay, carry on. Just okay. Yeah. Mind then what you did there, how you spent time, what you saw, what was their physical condition, and and a lot of things. The information that you have gathered during this time.
My auntie and uncle admitted ICU when
my
I
uncle,
went,
my uncle and aunt
auntie
were admitted in ICU, but were hospitalized in ICU section. Yeah.
ICU section. Then then we received my cousin and went to neuroscience hospital.
And took him to neuroscience hospital, and took him to neuroscience hospital.
Took him neuroscience hospital, and her head injured and huge bleeding, and then car driver is ভেঙে স্যার মেরুদণ্ড ভেঙে গিয়েছিল, সরি।
His backbone got broken. Yes,
হ্যাঁ,
backbone of the driver got broken. Oh,
backbone broken. Then both driver and my cousin both went to neuroscience hospital.
Were taken to neuroscience hospital because they were hit in their brain.
Neuroscience hospital admitted my cousin, but not admitted driver. But then he referred, doctor referred Pongu hospital.
Doctor referred to them. Okay. Pongu hospital. Well.
Then we admitted 12:30. Then admitted driver neuroscience hospital. But this situation is very harmful and very critical. Passing this situation because my uncle and aunt has not another son and daughter, and collect many taka, and because ICU and charge is very expensive. That's why that's why others relatives collect huge money, and because my uncle where deposit her money, we know we do not know. That's why very much pressure with my others relatives and me. That's it, sir.
Okay, no sound. Okay, good. Okay, you have presented and we understood the theme. Yes, it's really very, very pathetic, very, very pathetic situation that you spent. Now, Shishir, you have to some question. You have to ask some questions about the Sundarbans to Shirazul Islam. Shirazul Islam will answer. Question about the Sundarbans. Shishir, start asking to Shirazul Islam.
Sir, have any question, or I have to make this question?
Okay.
Yes, Shishir.
Sir, মানে question কি আমার নিজে থেকে করতে হবে?
Yes, yes. You have to ask some questions about Sundarbans. You have to form questions. Form some questions. Start.
What is the famous? Why the famous of Sundarban?
Sundarban is famous for a number of things. If I have to mention those names, these are honey, wax, golpata, and Sundari tree are the most mentionable tree. And on the basis of this tree, this forest is named after Sundarban. And there are a number of Royal Bengal tiger and deer, and there are a number of wild animals which for what Sundarban is famous for. And I think these are the things that Sundarban is quite notable in our country.
Do you think the Sundarban is a naturally very beautiful, or
Yes,
uh,
it's
yeah,
it's
it is
it's
very helpful of our society, or
yeah.
environmentally it is
Okay.
helpful?
Yes. Okay, I got the question. Sundarbans is playing a huge amount of importance in our daily lives because Sundarban is acting like as a natural barrier because it protects number of cyclones. And it has been a history. It has protected number of cyclones from the very past of the time, and it will protect for the upcoming cyclones and natural disasters. It protects our coastal areas very significantly, and a large amount of economic values, revenues are come from Sundarbans, and it has been UNESCO has recognized it as a natural heritage, as one of the one of the seven wonders of the world, and it is really representing our country, and it's a great habitat for the wild animals, and a large amount of wild animals are living there, and a huge amount of pure oxygen and trees, some huge amount of wood are coming from Sundarban. I think these activities from Sundarban are largely are playing a significant role in our environment as well as our country's society. And
Thank you. From which wood we can make diashlai or cut pencil?
um, I'm sorry for not specifically mention those trees.
From which wood?
Uh,
মানে কোন কাঠ থেকে দিয়াশলাই এবং কাঠ পেন্সিল তৈরি হয়?
uh,
দন্দুল কাঠ,
uh,
দন্দুল কাঠ।
In English,
Dhun-
not in Bengali, English, in English.
okay, Dhundulud.
হ্যাঁ।
Dhundulud. I
হুম।
was quite, I didn't know this issue. Thank you for letting me know.
Oh, you have to read. You have to read the general knowledge for
Okay, okay,
knowing
thanks.
this question. Okay.
Okay, I will do it for the next time.
মানে what types of animals are living in Sundarban?
Basically, Sundarban is famous for Royal Bengal tiger, and it is a unique tiger from the rest of the tigers living in the world. It is uh, it's uh, a Dorakata shape is seen in the Royal Bengal tiger, and it's quite unique characters than with the rest of the tigers. And there are a huge number of deer and Ojibwa snake, and number of crocodiles are barely seen there. And so, there are many other animal. There are number of wild animals which can be seen if one goes in Sundarban.
Is any locality besides Sundarban?
I haven't visited yet Sundarban, therefore I couldn't specifically mention the localities. But Bagherhat, Khulna, and, is nearer, and The Sundarban is run through this district.
How much length of Sundarban?
Sundarban is the total area of Sundarban is 10,000 square kilometer, which is 5,000 miles around, and of which Bangladesh has extended 6,000 square kilometers, and the rest of the areas 4,000 nearly in the India under the India West Bengal, and now recently UNESCO has announced that the area situated in India is in danger, and some of the animals, wild animals, are extinct, and people are cutting down trees indiscriminately, and therefore they announced it in endangered position.
Which river are flow over the Sundarban?
Which river flows by the side of the Sundarban? Which
Over na
river
sir,
flows?
over হবে না?
Flows. Which river flows? প্রবাহিত হয় এটা. This is
By
active
the-
form. Which river
By
flows by the side of the Sundarbans?
সুন্দরবনের ভিতর দিয়ে স্যার
আহ,
নদী গেছে যেটা, ওইটা কি হবে?
Inside the Sundarban. Which river flows inside the Sundarbans?
uh, Baleshwari River, Baleshwari
Yes,
River, sir.
Baleshwari river.
Baleshwari River, yes, sir.
Do you want to
Baleshwari
go?
river?
মানে did you go Sundarban for viewing this
No,
natural beauty?
No, I haven't visited yet the Sundarban, but we had a plan before the Corona. As I studied in botany department. We have a tour every year after our examinations. According to that plan, we had planned to go to Sundarban this year, but due to the Corona, we couldn't go there. But we did everything to go. We prepared everything of our to go to the Sundarban. We deposited our money and hired a bus to Sundarban, and within 2 days, after 2 days, we would go to the Sundarban. But at the same time, Corona is held us and uh, affected us very badly, and everything has been stuck.
What is the explanation about the Sundarban, the Sundarban and the Rupur power plant? Those is very harmful for Sundarban, for keeping the
Yes,
beauty of Sundarban.
I think the decision was taken by our government is completely it's quite harmful for the Sundarban, because it can't be a wisely decision, because Sundarban is economically very important for our country, and they are planning for planting a nuclear electric station, and I think this electric waste and nuclear waste causes serious effect in over the
Explosion.
Sundarban. Yes,
Explosion and
this nuclear waste causes serious effect over the Sundarban, and it's a very bad decision for the country. And UNESCO is investigating this issue, and they intend to lift out their the designation that given by the Sundarban is the one of the World Heritage. UNESCO is planning to lift it out, and I think it's very bad news for us, and our government shouldn't do this, but they are doing their according to their plan, and I think it will have great casualties on Sundarban.
have any concern about this situation of our government at present time?
Government is
And
completely indifferent.
writing is there any article who is published about this Sundarban and Rupur power plant?
Yes, there are a number of, I have seen number of gatherings, number of procession against the Rupur power plant station. But nothing has happened, and we failed to knock in the brain of our legislators, as they are the mighty ones, and our government is takes decision according their bureaucrat, and he strictly follow them and do not care about the people's intention and people consent.
Well,
Nothing
thank
happened
you.
and nothing.
Good, good. You have answered well, and you understood all the questions, and you answered all the question as well. And answer style was good, quite good. And Shishir also spoke well, but more and more information is needed. And you, Shishir, you have to speak. You have to add a lot of information while speaking. Try to add more and more information, and try to ask smart question, and try to find out smart answer. And with the passage of time, you will also be fluent, and you will also have a lot of information. And this is the end of our today's session. Next class tomorrow, Wednesday at 9. Thank you all for.
Sir, did you PDF file about these topics?
Yes, I have
didn't-
sent PDF file. Yes, I have sent PDF file today. Check. I have sent from 19 to 22 or probably 23. 3 to 4 PDF file.
Okay, next class will be Tuesday.
No, Wednesday. Why Tuesday? Sunday and Wednesday. Our classes are on
Wednesday.
Sunday and Wednesday. Next class, day 21. It will be day 21.